Hello everyone, today I'm gonna unbox the parcel we received just early today. And welcome back to my channel. It's me, Rosie. Hello everyone, today we have to unbox this parcel. It's Hello Switch and TDD 6 LED white headlight. This one is the Hello Switch and this one is the TDD T06 white headlight. So, and then this one, another one is dual contact signal light. Oh, this one, this is the dual contact signal light. Okay, you guys, if you like this video unboxing, so like and share, follow or subscribe my channel. Thank you.